Hello Cardano enthusiasts, my name is John. Do you hold your ADA in an online wallet at AdaLite.io? Or perhaps you carry your ADA on your smartphone using a Yoroi wallet. You might be wondering, how can I delegate my ADA to a stake pool? Today you're going to find out. Before we begin, please note that we're not financial advisors. Always do your own research before making any investments. In this short video, we're going to learn how you can delegate your ADA to a stake pool. And you can do this whether you're using what are known as hot wallets. So that's either an online wallet with AdaLite.io, or perhaps you're holding it in a Yoroi wallet on your smartphone. You'll want to stay to the end of this video because we're also giving away 250 ADA to one of our subscribers. So now let's get started. Some people have purchased their ADA and then transferred it to AdaLite.io and hold it in an online wallet. And if that's you, right now we're going to answer the question, how can you delegate that ADA to a stake pool? So I'm going to share my screen with you. Open your browser and navigate to AdaLite.io. Continue. We're going to enter a mnemonic 15-word passphrase to restore a wallet. Before doing that, just a quick note. Currently, the Cardano protocol is to delegate all of the ADA that you hold in a wallet to a stake pool when you select it. So if you want to delegate only a portion of your ADA, at this point, you may want to create a new wallet just for delegating and then receive the ADA that you'd like into that wallet. And then you would proceed as follows. You enter your 15-word mnemonic phrase. Click Unlock. So we want to stake what's in our wallet to a stake pool. So click Staking. And at this point, you're going to paste the stake pool ID into this field. Open a new tab. Navigate to adaforprofit.com. At the bottom, copy the pool ID. Navigate back to AdaLite.io. And you'll notice that now that I've pasted in the address, it imports the data for that stake pool. Please note that this fee, there's a 2 ADA holding fee while you're staking. The transaction fee is the 0.191725. Click Delegate. You'll see the delegation review screen. Confirm the transaction. It will take a while for the wallet to sync. Now you can see at the bottom of the page, current delegation is to ADA for Profit Juno Stake Pool. And that's it. Congratulations. You're now staking your AdaLite.io funds to a stake pool. What if you hold your funds on your smartphone with Yoroi? Well, I'm going to share my screen again and show you that that's also relatively simple. Navigate to Yoroi-wallet.com and download the extension that matches your browser. So I'll add Yoroi to Chrome. And as you can see, it's been added. So now all we need to do is open it up. Continue in your language. Read all the terms and conditions. Click I agree to the terms and continue. We'll choose the simple process, skip Cardano payment URLs, and confirm. We're going to go ahead and restore our wallet, Cardano, and enter your recovery phrase. In our case, we have a 15-word recovery phrase for our Shelly wallet. Name your wallet and enter your recovery phrase. Enter your spending password and restore wallet. You can copy this information if you'd like. We're just going to confirm. And then we see our nearly 25 ADA that we're going to go ahead now and delegate. So click the Delegation tab, open a new browser tab, and go to adaforprofit.com. Copy the pool ID. Go back to Yoroi. And after you paste the pool ID, you'll see that it pulls in information about Juno. Click Next. Put in your spending password and delegate. It's been successfully delegated, so if you go to the dashboard page, you'll see that there's your ADA, still in the wallet, but it's delegated to Juno. Congratulations. Whether you have a Yoroi wallet or an AdaLite wallet, you've now delegated your stake to a stake pool and will start to earn rewards after each 5-day epic period. We at Ada for Profit love to correspond with those who subscribe to our channel and also those who delegate to our stake pools. So what we're going to do on this video is give away 250 ADA to one of our subscribers. What do you need to do to qualify? Well, you can look in the comments section for more detail, but basically you need to leave a meaningful comment, ask a question, or give a suggestion for a future video. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and if you don't want to miss a future video, click the notification bell. Cardano, the world's next operating system. Until next time, goodbye.